Oh my goodness, we accidentally tipped over the coffee. Check this out. We've got coffee grounds all over the counter. This is no fun. So how the heck do you clean this up without making a huge mess? Well, waltz on over and grab a piece of paper, not a paper towel, you know, like cardstock paper. Yeah, and fold it just a little bit right down the middle, you can see in the picture here. And it's going to scoop it up, no problem. But you're not done yet. Hang with me because we're using the scooping technique to get most of it, and it kind of falls on the paper. But what about those end pieces? Check out this final technique. Oh, so fancy. 2 pieces of paper. What? And you scoop it up. I bet you were going to get out the wet washcloth and start wiping it around. Oh yeah, that's a real good idea. Get it all nice and, you know, watery and messy. And no, just use a piece of paper like this, cardstock if possible, so it's a little firm. And scoop, scoop, scoop. And that's how you get most of it up. And from there, you can, if you want, get the rag out. We prefer the dustbuster. Keep it dry. That's the moral of the story. Should be able to handle it pretty easily.